Hey guys, in this video I'm going to go over how to add and edit rows in your EDM. So rows are very important as they control the layout of your email, so it's very clear and structured and easy to read, so it's always good to set these up properly. So yeah, what you want to do, I'll go over to first just how to actually add in a row. So if you go into your row tab here, you can then drag in whatever row you're after. Since there's like heaps of different options here you can choose from, so like different numbered ones but for now, we're going to do a 2 row. So you can drag in your 2 row, and then from there you can drag in whatever content that you're after. So if you want to put an image in there, you want to put text next to it, but you have all different options of what you want to do. So if you want just a single row with a button on it, you can just go into rows, drag row in, and then just drag your button into there. So you have several different options you can do for your rows. You can also duplicate your rows as well and delete them. So say if you want another button underneath there, you can also duplicate it and then it just duplicates that row. Perfect. But I've already got my row set up, so that's all good. So yeah, to actually edit your rows, you can press just directly into your row and it'll come up. So don't press your content, just press like the actual row. And then from there you can edit your row. So firstly you can edit your row background color, so you can choose whatever color that you're after. You can also choose just to edit the content area background color as well, so you can see that's not the entire row, that's just where your content is. So you have 2 different options there of what you can do. You can also, actually I might just get rid of this first. Perfect. You can also do a row background image as well. So you can go into your files and choose if you want a background image on that row. So you can go insert, and then you can see it adds an image behind there, and you can toggle that off as well. You can also add padding to your row as well. So that adds padding to just the overall row, and you can also just determine where you want that padding as well. Perfect. I might just go 0 on that one. Perfect. Cool. You can also choose whatever alignment that you're after as well. And you can also just determine your settings for mobile as well. So you can choose, all those settings there. You can also choose just to hide certain rows on mobile as well. So if you only want it to, you can hide it on the desktop or on the mobile or whatever you want to do. So you have that option. You can also choose the spacing on the individual cards in that row. So if we go down, we can also just add spacing on those cards. And you can also round the corners. So say if you've got a border on here, like that color, and we'll add a border onto there. Perfect. And then you can choose to round the corners on that row as well. So you can choose what you want to do for that one, but for now we'll just turn that off. Perfect. And then from here you can also choose your structure as well. So you can drag over on here. You can say if you want your image to be kind of the main center, you can do that as well. You can determine the sizing of that. You can also add in new rows because that adds in a new row onto there. You can also delete rows as well. So say if I want to delete that now, I can then just go delete on there as well. So yeah, that is everything you need to know about rows. That's a really important part of building an EDM. So taking the time to set them up properly makes a really big difference. So yeah, thank you guys. See you in the next video.